In this video, I'm going to show you how to live stream to TikTok with OBS Studio for free, and it does not require any stream key. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. For this tutorial, we're going to be using StreamElements Livestream plugin. Now, kindly note that this video is not sponsored by the company. I'm just sharing my reviews and experience using the plugin. Now, head over to their website and go to the features. Under features, you will see the se.live. Once you click on the se.live, it will take you to the multi-streaming plugin. I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description below. Click the link to download. Just click on install and click on agree and follow the steps. I've already installed it on my system. So now the StreamElements is on OBS Studio already. So what you need to just do is to connect it to your YouTube, Twitch, or any other platform. So I'm just going to be using YouTube. And in the process of connecting your YouTube, it will show you if you want to allow StreamElements to access your YouTube channel. Just click on allow and allow it to access your YouTube channel. Next, I've successfully connected it. Just move back to OBS Studio and you should be in. And also note that you may experience some little lags in OBS Studio once you install it. So to avoid the lags in OBS Studio, just click on the StreamElements here, move to docs and turn off these options here. Once you turn it off, it will reduce the lags in OBS Studio. So once you have turned it off, you can now reposition the StreamElements multi-streaming. So I'm just going to reposition it in this place. So now what you need to do, if you want to add in your TikTok, just click on the plus icon here, click on TikTok, and once you click on TikTok, next click on connect. I'm just going to authorize and link my TikTok account to it. I'm going to allow StreamElements to access my TikTok account. So if you follow this process, you successfully link your TikTok account, and as you can see, I've successfully linked it up. Once you want to live stream to your TikTok account, sometimes you can connect automatically, and if it does not work for you, you can just connect it manually and follow the steps. What you need to do is to add in other social media accounts you have live streamed to before and submit for TikTok to review. And after one day, TikTok will approve it. So I'm just going to test run a live stream on TikTok now. So make sure that before you go live on TikTok, make sure to configure the default live stream, that is the default live stream on your OBS Studio. So this is how to configure the default live stream. So the default live stream on OBS Studio settings is Facebook. So just paste in a new stream key of that Facebook page and click on OK. So once you do that, you'll be able to start live stream on both platforms. To go live on TikTok, so I'm just going to configure the settings here. Once you go to settings, go to broadcast settings. This is where you can be able to configure the settings for the TikTok. So I'm just going to title it as test. I'm going to set the category to education. Click on education and click on update settings. And next, click on continue. And after these settings, we are ready to go live on TikTok. So just come over to Control C and click on start live streaming. And sometimes, once you want to go live again, it will still ask you for category. I'm going to set it to education and click on start streaming. And now, as you can see, we are live on TikTok. So I'm just going to switch to another scene. I'm going to switch to my camera so you can see. And as you can see, this is my camera over here. We are live on TikTok. And also on smartphone, this is the live stream on smartphone. And as you can see, we are live on TikTok. When I also switch my camera back, you can also see it on the smartphone. We are live on TikTok. Testing 1 2 1 2. Testing 1 2 1 2. If you follow these settings, you'll be able to live stream to TikTok without any restriction and without any stream key. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll be dropping more videos about OBS Studio on this channel. My name is Ebenezer from OBS Studio. See you in my next video.